Hey there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw an alien with two heads. So here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw the alien. At the beginning, I'm starting with its head. It has big eyes, two tiny eyeballs. It has big neck also. Here's sad face. And I'm drawing another head. Okay. And now I'm drawing its feathers. Let's draw its leg. Another one. Another one. Okay, it has 3 legs. Now I will draw some more feathers. Let's do the coloring. I'm using brown. I'm coloring in a light hand. And now I'm using light green color. I'm drawing some tiny circles inside its head. Now let's do the coloring. And now I'm using yellow. I'm coloring its feathers with yellow. Let's use pencil. Now let's draw its legs. It has sharp nails. Now I'm using my pencil to do the coloring. I'm using yellow color to color its nails. Again, I'm doing a little touch up with my black pen. And this is how you can draw an alien with 2 heads. Thank you so much for watching.